In the Expression tab, you can perform differential expression analysis. This allows you to compare the expression between two groups of samples in order to find up and down regulated genes. On the left-hand side, there are 4 scroll-down menus. The first one allows you to choose the contrast that you want to analyze. The second one allows you to choose whether you want to focus on all the genes or only at a specific gene family. And finally, the last two allow you to set the FDR and log Foldchange threshold values in order to make your analysis more or less stringent. On the right-hand side, there are on the top 4 different tabs. In the first tab, you can see various expression plots, including Volcano and MA plots. Then in the next one, you can find plots for the top 10 most up and down regulated genes in your contrast. Then a Volcano plot for all the contrasts, and finally, in the expert version of the platform only, a Volcano plots for all the statistical methods. Underneath it, there are the differential expression tables. The first table is a differential expression analysis table that shows you all the genes that are significantly up or down regulated in your contrast. I want to draw your attention to the star system here. This is because we don't rely on a single statistical method for identifying differentially expressed genes, but rather a combination of 3. And this is related to the options link here, because in the expert version you can actually choose which statistical methods to use for your analysis and whether you want to make it more or less stringent or use a method that you are more familiar with. On the right of the differential expression tables, there is a table that shows a list of gene sets that contains the gene highlighted in the differential expression analysis table. So if you click a different gene, you will get a different list of gene sets. The next tab shows you the differential expression table across all the contrasts. And finally, in the expert version of the platform only, you also have a table that shows you for all of the methods and all of the contrasts the number of significant genes when you set your FDR values at different levels.